take on. Bali yanguye.
Omanyi bw'otuuka mu high end.
Owanza akedde.
Kyayi obadde oyagala tumukole tutya?
Sukaali nga mumukekkereza.
Omuywamu akumalayo bw'oba okola ki?
Tekiina buzibu neyanziza. Kale neyanziza. Yo traders, what's up guys? It's your boy the Founder the King. As usual, we are always here for trading, specifically for forex trading, guys. Yes, traders. Sawa za kukola ku sente. Oyaga baluwa. Mujye tukola analysis. Tukozeeko analyzing the forex market. Tulabe kiki tusobola okujja mu katalo olwaleero. Our trading gold, we are still bullish. On gold. We are still bullish on gold and set up large sharings yesterday. Tubulamu katono nnyo tuuka ku take profit otugenda oteeka sales zaffe. We shared this yesterday. Any questions? Setup yaffe gye tulina ku gold era abali mu telegram channel yange nagibateereddeyo dda okuva eggulo tugirimu from yesterday night up to now. Musharinge ka live kaffe kano mukasharinge banaye, share it to your friends, musooke mujja tudiscussingamu ko forex wane eno tulabe. Abulamu katono nnyo to take profit yaffe banaatera ogihitinga. We entered this trade yesterday night era naawe waali abasinga osobola batandise okuyingira sales etuwadde pips almost 3. Kitegete yes. Any questions? Gold wato wafananye ninze numbers ziwere banaye. I'm waiting for the numbers weziwera nga tukola analysis. I'm waiting for the numbers so that we can do analysis. Ninze numbers. I need numbers. Share the live stream to your friends. Tutandika okukola analysis. Tugenda ku analyzing pairs zonna ezisinga leero. Going to analyze some pairs and then we shall talk about forex prop firms as usual. Kati so we tukole setup on a short tulabe mangu mangu gold. If we are to take some sales, where should the stop loss be and where should the take profit be? Okay, XAUSD tugenda kola short term setup. So tuyina first of all twalabye nga daily yaffe according to our daily time frame, the daily time frame indicates that we are still bullish. So we have some areas to look at, the key zones. We have some key zones that we don't know leader. According to the momentum we still have a running candle right now. So tugenda tunulya zones ntono nnyo naye twagala short term setup eyakati bagamba tugenda batulyamu katono wetudduka kitegeera. That's the daily tulaga tuli bullish mu gold. However, so the twin resistance levels kwe tuli kutunulidde at the moment. We have some resistance levels ze tuli mu kutunulako. Wetukirya ku 1 hour era naye ekijjayo. Ne 1 hour ekijjayo buki bulungi. Twagala ourselves tugenda ziyingira kwa buys twazikutte ku macha. Nejje ekiro twazibaddemu ababaddeko mwasobola okirealizinga. So twagala setup ngeri short esotwayo pips nga 5 oba 10 right now aba trading gold. This is for you, whoever that trades gold outside there, this setup is for you. Era gana tuzayo kweri tuyina zone ebuzeemu katono nnyo toka ku entry point, but after the candle close tujja kulaba confirmations. Tulabe nga tusologamba now we can go bearish for at least some 50 pips. Zone je tuyinaawo ku 1 hour for 30 minutes. Then let us minimize. Let us target small. However much kati advantage eriko in analysis je tukolamu analysis it. Whenever you do the analysis, it can give you some money on the smaller time frames. At the same time, it can give you some good money on the what? On the higher time frames. So the more you go lower, the rule says that the more you go down, the more chances you are increasing the chances of you being liquidated by the forex market. So I would recommend the traders most of the time we go call analysis or solo come higher time frames. Whenever taking entries, it's better to consider higher time frames, like 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. So for the entry points, then there you can go forward and you take your entries on 30-minute time frame. At the same time, you take on the college 30 minutes. 30-minute time frame. So kasetup kafaka kafanana. Tuli mu zone ya expected sell. Twagala tulabe 5 minutes yobwete wegaddewo. Twagala tulabe 5 minutes kiche tugamba. Wano wengendo take expected buy, it's a low risk area ku zili time frames endala. Naye ababalabyeko channel yange Telegram channel, when that expected buy we twafunide buy ya fair take profit bagihitinze. And right now as I speak, we are now looking forward to drop downwards. We are looking forward at least to get some sales. Tugenda laba take profit 1 otujagala ne take profit 2 etwandijisuubidde. Tulifedna. Then lastly wetumala tugenda kukola analysis 100 stop loss byana ku gold ebere so tight because most of the time stop loss webere nene tofuna chances, you don't have a second chance most of the time. So oyagala bane second chance mukatale, I probably recommend you to use stop losses. Okay, so take profit here for 1 ija kubeera awo ku low risk area, that will be TP1. Then second TP should be there on the next low risk area, but remember this is a 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame. Tocherabira. Tulifedna. Questions guys, mtapinge link mu Telegram mu bio, musobola okujoininga Telegram channel yange. Telegram channel weri you tap the link or XAU to buy in. We are done with the buys and now we are on the sales. Tulifedna. ababadde live yesterday night sero nagigabye, buy nagigabye, era ate abali mu Telegram channel yange tulina short term, tulina long term setup ne short term setup. Tuli fena waliwo ambuuza should we sell now, eyo sebo mankuwadde signals ekukoledde setup. You should go olaba confirmations zikuwa sales, you take it. Weziba tezigikuwa, probably you can leave it. So that is XAUUSD aba trading the gold. What tufananye in the morning twabuyinze from here, era setup nagitaddeyo from yesterday night. Tuli fena when the buys tuli fena. But now as I speak we are moving to the downtrend. Tanso nonya sales, tandise okunonya sales. But guys, tap the link in my bio join the Telegram channel yaffe. Eno setup ya buy najigaba mu VIP babaddemu at the same time ne sero njagala tugitrading effenna wano. Sero eno njagala tugitwale effenna mutapinge screen bata not following mutoka follow kuizo tadamu tulaba, then abazenga like totona joining a Telegram channel, link yange eri mu bio. Okay, yes, so questions proceed. That's XAUSD. Abagala Nasdaq, aba trading a Nas, you sell about the sale, you confirm the sales on Nas 100 short, take out stop lossing very tight. Kaka samukirabyeko stop loss zaffe ziri very tight, eh? You know it's a breakfast time. So that is XAU short term sales, long term buys. Tulifena numbers nziraba kweziri. Feel free to ask anything. So katwe tutunulia setup eno omuntu tutwali tyali ayingidde buys mu kusooka wano yadde ajja kuddukamo due to the too much consolidation yabadde wano low risk area yasoose abadde ajja kudduka. Most of the time abasinga badduka tebasobola kuminkiriza. Then owokubiri trading ngaffe ku low risk area wennyini abadde ajja kuteekawo trade ya buy endala. Confirmations zibaddewo mu katale, okitegeera, the same area. Tulifena so then the same time when low risk area endala era nayo ebaddeko confirmation yaki ya buy. Era zonna nga ezitaddewo 3 zitambudde pips eziwerera ddala ezisukka mu 50. Tulifena what I encourage traders to do, but I learn to make your stop losses very small. Learn to lower your stop losses, because what lowering a stop losses, most of the time you'll end up being liquidated. Someone is asking me, are we selling? We're gonna take a musero sound become Ghana. Kuwe saa zino tuliko 5 minute candle esooka yagaddewo nayo kubiri yagaddewo, then tuliko candle ya kusatu nayo tulinze tulabe engeri gyeggalawo. Tulifena twagala tulabe how is it going to close. Tulifena questions. I welcome all the questions. How is NAS written on MT5? Those trading with XNS, NAS to meter US Tech is NAS 100. I give a sell. It is a dollar index. Gold wotongera ku 1 minute wano wali wakyali very tricky. Wotunula ku Fibonacci, that is 50%. So wanaji breaking ana kiriamu wansi aja batu wade pips eziwala at least subira. I expect why I is okunda ko low risk area, so can list na hitting a take profit 1 luckily tujaba tuliba kisa tulifena. So any other questions? Someone's asking about NAS. Which strategy do you use? I use all the strategies. See that strategy just like I say because nsobola taking ICT mu trading, support and resistance mu trading, so kitegeeza buli strategy ekola. someone ambuuza why did we take sales from there on the gold nze sinagaba signal ya sell naye according to my setup endaga nti waliwo short term sales. However much the market is still bullish, that's why okugambye nti okuba ku safer side stop loss yebeere very tight. When your mentor says you are selling and you say I'm buying, oba wedde I'm in late for entries, nedda my blazer toli late kandi esooka egaddewo eyokubiri egaddewo neyokusatu yina etandise naye naatera okuggalawo, so let us pray eggalewo ngeri bearish. So I'm trying to trade here prop farm emaze okuyita phase 1 yayo ewedde. Someone brought me a one-step challenge funding pips. It is budget funded bichi. I've forgotten the name. Budget my funded next. Era mazo ita challenge eyo nenga nji trading ze with small lot sizes. Era ntero jibatera yo mu channel yange tumazo jita. Tetukyetaaga ko lot sizes nene nga tuyita prop farm. Joko mukoyesa lot sizes nene joko mu okufirwa sente mu katale. Kati nze abayingidde salo ya gold personally sinagiyingira, just njikoyeseza kuyita challenge naye nga ku area query according to the setup short term tusobola following a setup eyo kubanga reason jumper when you look at 1 hour time frame ogenda ku 1 hour right now as I speak 1 hour eri mu kwambula, so there is a resistance level according to the confirmations we have in the forex market. Akatale tekanaba kolachi, the candle hasn't closed above the areas. So if the market doesn't close above the resistance area, what I mean by the market closing, I mean the candle close, kitegeeza there are probability higher chances of sellers okubanga they are taking over. Tulifena. So if the sellers are taking over, then there is a probability for us to move downwards. But as long as the sellers were closing it above the resistance level, tulifena, then kitegeeza we are moving bullish. But guys, turn up njagadde naye musoke mumpe ku likes, abatadda joininga telegram channel yange mukola nsobi, tap the link in my bio, you join the telegram channel. So gold mumaliriza kati tukole ku analysis wa pair kyendala wabe wa commenting a pair we yamangu gitulemu mangu awo comment down below the pair you want me to analyze faster tugitulemu tulabe where should we go right now. Comment down the pair. Some comments in this live were filtered to protect community experience. Guys, temukoyesa bad language ezijabaleetera ebizibu. Someone is saying BTC, someone is saying GJ. So Bitcoin sigana mukola analysis lwa nsonga aliko all time high. Ngenda tunulira GBP JPY na Euro USD. Okay, we start with Euro USD. Tulabe Euro USD nabagamba obanga onokola analysis ku pairs nga Euro USD oyinasooka nga kola analysis wa DXY. Broker analysis wa DXY, it always gives you the next way forward over the other USD pairs. Tulifeda always kateno. This is DXY. So what we do what we call the top-down analysis. Are we together? We always do what we call the top-down analysis. Era mugira babali nange ku weekend baja ne respecting a low risk area yaffe akatali ne katuwa probably bullish to an extent ne batuwa pips zolabakaawo. Era ogitunulira obulungi yabeera nga it was respected highly. So at the moment it means we are bullish on according to the setup we had previously. Kiraga nti tuli bullish ku DXY. Tulifena. So kati otuba kitegeera nti we are bullish, then what should we do? Since we are looking forward to trade GBP USD and GBP Euro USD, what we know so can understand analysis wa DXY waliwo abuuza what is DXY. DXY is a dollar index. DXY, it is a dollar index. Most of the time the index is driving dollar pairs zonna, such as prepare na jumanyeriko USD. Most of the time it will either move the same way with gold, or with DXY, or it will move the opposite way with the DXY. Simanyi oba kyenyonyola tukitegeera. So kasooka tukola analysis otunula waneeno ku daily ya DXY erina bullish momentum, naye according to me ngenda kuteekawo wayi tugisuubira okutuuka. Essaawa zo tugenda makinga zones ez'enjawulo. Abasinga bino mubimanya abali mu telegram channel yange mbibasomesa ntero bisomesa ku weekend. Tutandise leero tutandise leero bana questions zikipinga nga zijja leero njala trading live twogera ku forex prop firms temukyerabira nti is basically I'm a man of prop firms. I'm a man of prop firms. So tutunulira DXY twagala twa DXY wajja tutwala ekituufu kiri nti sinnalaba joininga telegram channel sinnabalaba bamumalamu amaanyi so eno prop farm y'omwana amaze ogiyita kamala ogibateerayo mu telegram channel mugirabe and the next past with smaller lot sizes with small lots. So kyalwaki nkiteekako okubalaga nti omuntu anayita prop farm tekikwetagisa kubanga opise nnyo tuli fenna okupika lot si kwe kuyita osobola oyita mpola slowly you pass tuli fenna kati omwana aleta account nangamba FK this account needs around $600 to be passed that I'm very busy nowadays, I'm going back to school, you know what and what, so I kindly request you to help me pass it. So mazo jita era go yasasuli yone bukoze eki buwedde tayina kyamanja tuli mukola analysis temkyerabira aba trading gold tukyalimu kalabe nazi benawadde nazi akyali awo tasalawo atuwa kuseero atuwa bayi kugamba tuli mu state of confusion naye tujja mukolako analysis tulabe. So tugenda kola analysis wa euro naye tusose bayisa ku DXY. So that is the zone we have on 4 hour time frame. Then tumusuubira at least ku 4 hour this should be the low risk area and this is the area where it is heading right now. So tugenda koma ku 1 hour tujja batumaze ofuna kyetwagala tugenda koma ku 1 hour tugenda batumaze ofuna kyetwagala kikulu omanyi you know whenever you're doing analysis what you should look forward to, you should always look for areas where you expect the market to go. Always look forward to the areas where you expect the market to go. Tulifena. So as the zones that we tugenda gamba at least at this area we shall expect the market to give us a sell. Tulifena. Then to garment at this area we shall expect the market to give us what? A buy. Tukwese ekigambo expect because we are not sure. We always go with the assurance of confirmations. Tutwala confirmations. Tutera okugamba tujja twala according to some confirmations ezentera obasomesa zitagenda kwogera saawa zino unless ng'onaawa n'abazibuuziza. So kati tumamutegeera ezo then tulina kyetuyita low risk areas. Low risk areas ezo levels kwe twatusuubira akatale at least kasobola okuretracinga naye at a given area kajja kubouncing back. We expect the market to bounce. So what we do on those areas, we don't over risk. You avoid over risking on the low risk areas so that you avoid it to be liquidated in the forex what? In the forex market. So here we shall say that this is the expected buy area. Then we say this is our expected sell areas. That is the expected sell areas. When I'm sharing a live VFA, I'm sharing a live tambule. Sharing a live VFA tambule. Then here we shall say we're not sharing a tambula bulungi man tujja ku trading anga live most of the time. We shall be trading live. Watch tujja zikola fenna, profits tujja zikola fenna. Ate nammwe abasinga abadde nange okumala ebbanga mukimanyi lose zijja naye list lose ziba ntono nnyo bagoba ku profits tuli fenna. So that is the setup we have. So we expect the market to reach this zone, then we shall drop downwards. Right together. So you set up the twinner. It says, you know, our trading and us, since the stock market hasn't opened yet, we currently not expect some good moves right now. So to is a state of consolidation at the end. So just start again the cast. Okay, do we have some news? Do we have some news today? How to join the Telegram channel? Tap the link in my bio, my blazer. Tap the link in my bio. Everything will be ojabo solochi accessinga bulungi nnyo. Abagala okutextinga, you want text me? Tap the link in my bio. WhatsApp number yange mweri mu Telegram. WhatsApp number mweri mu Telegram. Okay? Yes. How do I identify a strong reversal and a weak reversal? Always consider candle structures. Candle structures zijja kuwa strong reversals ne continuations. Zijja kuwa ekintu ekyo. First of all, don't forget guys to join the Telegram channel. Ekyokubiri, don't forget to follow the host under Locking Detected. Learn how to improve your computer performance. So guys, not following leero, you might end up missing out. So I'm following it. So look, we're trading alive most of the time, but ayo nabagambye nti tuli mu ssaawa za breakfast. Muzikirize tutradinge nga nange wenkola ki wenywa kacaayi kange ako. Bino bintu by'abazungu bimenyaamu sukaali wakufukambufu sibitegeera oba babukozesa batya oba nkasaanukule bampadde akantu sikategeera naye kyeka kankasaanukule nfune sukaali amala saawa yakonkooya. Yes. Bro, expecting buys on 300. Am I right? That is twogerako DXY. But remember, webanga DXY kyekola kibeera opposite ku ziri payers endala nga Euro USD ne GBP USD. Tuli fena mu following bana isindala ba follows mala so far abantu 10 be baka following, only 10 people have followed. It's not impressive guys. Only 10 people. So ongeremu kumanyi. Okay. So DXY wetu wefanana kati ngenda kola analysis wa Euro USD, then muzikirize unywe kachai tulinda akatale. You know, forex market is always, you have to always wait for the market to react. Tulifena, it's always a reaction. It's always a reaction. About trading and Nasdaq abamumbuzizaako, when you go to XNS, Nasdaq is called US Tech. It's called US Tech. Benawadde sero ya gold so far emazo basasula munekwasa kirala. Omuntu alina sente nga your target is very small for a day. My brother, gold amazo bikola. Kubanga 1 hour candle ebulako eddakiika 6 eclosinge. Tuli fenna 1 hour candle ebulako eddakiika 6 eclosinge. So katuddeyo ku 5 minute yaffe tulabe. Take profit 1 clear. Take profit 1 clear. Abadde balinda confirmations, where are you? Okay, that's good. That's good. Take profit 1, it done. Ezo pips chenda musatu tumazo zikwata approximately 100. You guys muli bajjawa ba trader baba wasigirire zikolerawo. Kati kola kitokwata mu link yange ojoininge Telegram channel. Right guys. My brother, this is so impressive. It is so impressive. Take profit 1 hit. Take profit 1 is hit. So let us put it there. TP1 cleared. TP1 cleared. Teri agamba yo. So katulaba kataba kanaitawo katuwe ekiddako. So very many traders outside I want to awali so tricky candle in a closing very bearish. Since the market is bullish, if I was trading gold right now, I would look forward to put in some buys for low risk areas because the market is bullish. Segera. So about trading about taking the sell is pips 10 omazo zibankinga mu mfo. Pips 10 tumazo zibankinga in just less than a few minutes, and the market is strongly bullish, bearish. As far as you know, take profit 1 already cleared. Kati nze munamanja ki 5 minute candle bweto weguddewo era eguddewo pushinga wansi. So wetyo nayo tuyimiridde so far. Take profit 1 cleared. Rachi can now I'm here to answer the reason as to why you said about the accurate. Why was the sale accurate? First time with the confident with you mentor. That's good, my brother. That's good. I've not seen the followers, guys. Musoke mpeka follow kutemuna katuwa. First time, yes. So why I took the sales, why I gave the sales on gold? Reason, when you look at Kansoke Mbatereko chart one year gold in dollar tugikola gisomerako eyo tugenda kudda tugitunuulire. Ngenda kukola pairs endala. Just I'm still giving reasons as to why I took a certain trade on gold. So wetujja ku 1 hour ya gold yeno, olaba akatale bwe kali. I marked even the zone very well, it is there. So the market has failed to close. At least yandi closings above these areas. By the time olwokuba nti efeerinza okulozinga mwena mukiraba bulungi, ebulako eddakiika 3 laba kando ya 1 hour gyeri. So that's why sales zibadde accurate. That's why sales zibadde accurate. Olifena? Yes, so laki sales zibadde accurate. That's only that one rule, that one ekyoka which kimaze to confirming and sales zibadde accurate. Akatale kaganya closing above the resistance level. So if the candle didn't close above the resistance level, then probably if etwadde tulina okukola ki okuteekawo sero yaffe ne tukkirya nako. Oli fenna era ababadde nange nga tutandika signal nagibawadde, it has been able to give us almost 100 pips down there. Oli fenna almost 100 pips bazituwadde. So any questions? The room for questions is still open. Room for question is very open. Zinabawadde signal yange yabwerere ne VIP sagibawadde gigabye public. Nkakasa abantu 40 babaddeko musobola ogifunamu. Ulifena first time, yes. JPY ngenda kola analysis wa JPY mukumikirizemu. Just keeping on nga sharing a live. Atanaba joining a Telegram channel my blazer okola nsobi. Osubwa ebintu bingi ddala. Osubwa a lot of things. Ya joining it, it's a pity. Kati sawa zino olwokuba nti akatale kali bullish. Remember the market is bullish. Wenyini we kali twabayingiddeko ne batuwa. So right now abasinga obungi bayinza okubanga they have started entering buys, which is okay, but under which confirmations? Secondly, depending on the momentum, right now tetunafuna conclusion ya katale waje kadda. Kitegedde. Kyakubiri twagala tutegeere, do you have some fundamentals today? Omanyi, whenever you're doing analysis, it is very good, or it is better for you as a trader to look at the fundamentals. So on Friday, July 11, we only have the card employment changes and employment rates. But remember, most of the time about our trading a card, bro, trading a card, you know, it always reacts with the gold. So kitegeeza gold ajja tumusubya nayo kutambula mu ssaawa z'amawulire. So akatale kacha pumping downwards. Take profit yamwe bagihitinze, is a signal nagikoze eki nagibawadde. Signal nagibawadde teri yekwasa. Era nkiddamu, I make myself clear, but traders kakasa stop losses always zibeera tight. Stop loss will be tight ekuwa omukisa ogwokubiri. Always have a second chance. You always have a second chance. Make sure that you always use tight stop losses. So don't just enter abruptly. You have to first have some good confirmations, then you take an entry. Are we together? So 5 candle minute endala a good day, 5 minute candle a good day. Eri etuukire ddala ku take profit yaffe 1 bamaze ogihitinga. Take profit 1 is cleared. Kati essaawa zino twagala tulabe with the market go to take profit 2. So kitegeeza yayingidde seero okyalina break even osobola okuteeka ziri trades mu BE ne tulaba what next. Tuli fenna ziri trades osobola ziteeka mu BE ne tulaba what next. Lastly, oba oyagala okutradinga pairs kati nga gold eziri volatile, what you should first avoid is overloading with your small accounts. Avoid using lot sizes that are very big, because lot size gyekoma okubeera ennene ojja kuba omissinga out mu katale. There is a lot of stuff that you will miss out. Kati katulabe over the market will take us at least to take profit 2. However much tusuubiramu kale some retracements, you might get a retracement. Below there is a zone. So that is it on gold. Questions? I proceed to another pair. Don't forget to follow the host. Secondly, don't forget to tap the link in my Telegram my bio so that you join the Telegram channel. Those who need my WhatsApp number, it is there in the Telegram channel. So the only way you can access the numbers, just tap the link. Abayingide nazi nange nazi akyatulimu 30 aganyo tuwasero abayi nga tasalawo so twakedde. That's when agayo stop loss ebeere tight, because stop loss webeera tight chances zibaawo. Kati weba tukuba stop loss right now ku nazi tujja kudda mu New York session nga tuyingira sales zaffe tuli fena. So questions. Kale kati ngenda kola analysis wa Euro USD. Ngenda ku Euro USD right now. Gold tumumaze. We are done with gold. Let us look at Euro USD. Euro USD is here. Okay, so this is Euro USD. So what we normally do, we do what we call the top-down analysis. Top-down analysis, we normally analyze the market from higher time frames to lower time frames. Are we together? We analyze from lower time frames to higher time frames. From higher time frames to lower time frames, sorry. So now we are doing it. Explain the trade sessions in Uganda time frame and the best pairs to trade. Okay, my brothers, keep on reminding me. Let me first do this analysis, then I explain that. Mr. Albert256, don't forget to tap the link in my bio to joining a Telegram channel yange banayi to joining aba trading the gold nange oba koza standard lot size mu okoze $10, you have been able to make 3.8 million. Okay, inazi koze zo sente enja kuba musimu mpaka kumazi. Hey, yeah, that is it. That's those are the fruits of trading life. I'm very sure kati manja balina confidence sazi na bulijati oyingira akatale ne kati akayingi then akolayo zakoze. Nze nkugambye trade yemujembe wadde ya sero ya gold impitide profile y'omwana baddeko 0.1 and it has been able to make $100. Zibadde zibulako challenge kola ki okuyita. So that was the funded next challenge. This is Euro USD. We are marking zones. Another thing, to make something clear on when you're doing the top-down analysis, always mark winches. Why do we mark winches? Because price has ever reached that level. Okay, whenever the price has ever reached a certain price, you should always mark it. Why do you mark it? Because at a given area, the market will have to go back to that to that price. Why do I say that the market will have to go back to that price? It is majorly because the market always moves looking for imbalances, and by some time you will find that the imbalances are always on even the witches on lower time frames. You find the witch, it has candles. Witches or just sang lower time frame nga candle. Nenga quiet time frame, it is just one winch like this. So ebintu ebyo mubere very careful nga mukola analysis. Ndaba abaana bangi baba liquidated nagamba FK, my problem I'm facing, I always do analysis, is very good, but the problem is that at the end of the day they sweep me out. After sweeping me out, the market goes to my direction. Ekyo kibeerawo lwa nsonga analysis wamumakinze bubi. Wamakinze body close mu kifo kyaki mu kifo kya wamakinze body close mu kifo kya winch. Bana ite mutapinga screen muri bantu babi mbalaba wano si muri abantu 50 abali sofa live 50 people embanga buli omu at least the size na tuwadde like 10 twatambudde abantu 5 buli omu ajoininga Telegram channel naye betambudde abagala YouTube channel yange nayo mweri, everything is there. So tekyali kyakwekwasa nti FK kino kitukolere njagala mbi bakolere ku bwerere, so that even if I'm dead, my information will stay moving to the forex will stay useful to the forex market. So wetuja probably according to the setup I'm seeing on Euro USD, it's not a healthy setup. 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 Abali mu trading Euro sawa zino tetuna, I'm not seeing some good confirmations yet. I'm not seeing some good confirmations yet. Ebyaddala saagala mbalimbe. My colleagues, my friends, my everything, my students, my brothers and sisters, I don't want to lie you here. Sandi yagadde mbalimbe. Siraba confirmation hiyo nako Euro USD for now, but natugenze maaso eyo sawa z'ejjuma zino agenda okutuuka inshallah. Sawa Allah abenga tuteereddewo confirmation hiyo nakubanga newengezaako gifunza bati let me go to 5 minutes ndabe waliyo kyo tuyinza ofuna emmere ku 5 minutes. Can we get some food on 5 minutes? Yes, 5 minutes tuyinza ofunawo emmere njiraba. I'm seeing some food on 5 minutes. 5 minutes. You know, today tukola analysis we twogera ku psychology n'ebisigalidde. Nana account gen trading nze endala njagalako $100 olunaku lwa leero ngiveemu naye ekyagaanye kati nno obuzibu bajjidde aba trading ze nange naazi lwansonga wendabira $10 nziruse. Whether you're $10, bro, how much does WCK charge for mentorship? My big blazo, the CEO WCK markets, tachakola mentorship. Era takolya ko dala mentorship, tachabikola. Naye meanwhile, of course, singa company nene, WCK markets company nene ina abakozi baayo, mujja kujja mulabe services tuyinayo mu WCK markets ndowooza. Naye nga for mentorship taliiwo. Which confirmation should I look at? Confirmation zisekatawa mulimu ebintu byemumbuuza nga ate mbisomesa baana bange eri we mbigambye live mba mulyazaamaanyiza. So ze $10 mazo zihitinga. So guys, see you tomorrow. Tujja tukola analysis waffe nga wetunyumya. Nze naazi muvuddemu. Abatrading ze nange naazi munansonyiwa mbaliddemu olukwe bala mugono. Siina kyenjagala kirala. Baba series bate baserinze mwa bamanyi. Abayingidde golodi nammwe tubakoze eki tubaviiridde. Today is done. Remember it is a Friday. Whenever you greedy, you end up being greedated. So let me call the client to first pop my money right now. So questions, someone is asking me, bro, do you do mentorship? Location please. Right now in Nanonya ndi wanonaria Metroplex Mall. Ndinala Metroplex Mall restaurant bajita Popine Cinemax. There is a certain restaurant that's where we talk chiringira most of the time. So Friday tujimalidde tutyo prop farm tujiyise. Then secondly ne client yakoze sente kati kamaliza analysis wange nga yetunyumya Euro USD setup eraga buys, short term buy wale tujosobira oteeka sales. Lwaki tugamba short term lwansonga nazi twalabye DXY ali bullish. Tulifena ba traders wato Euro USD bwafaananye ku 5 minutes atuwadde confirmations za buy nziraba weziri ku order block ku support alimyo ita ku support era olaba candles zonna ziyaleese zabadde rejected. And as I speak, we are moving upwards on Euro USD. Take profit should be the low risk area. Allow me to talk about this. Did you know that whenever you take a standard lot size on Euro USD, it will always give you, with 100 pips, you are making 10,000 with a standard lot size. But whenever you use a standard lot size on 100 pips, you're just making 1,000. So you should be so careful about that. You should be very careful about that. So that's why, in my way, I tell my students there, my members, that always trade Euro USD with a standard lot size, because setups zentero bazibagabira 100 pips. Wezikuwa 100 pip, kiba kitegeeza already oyina omutwalo mulamba mu profits. Tulifena. So what tufaananya ku Euro USD? Euro USD what tufaananye bwato Euro USD tufaananye olwaleero. I repeat, sinalaba ba following mfunyeyo ka diamond kamu banaye. One person has given me a diamond. It's okay, thank you so much. Njagala bibuuzo Euro USD mazo mubawa. Statement yange ebadde, I've said that whenever you trade one standard lot size on gold with 100 pips, you are making only $1,000. But whenever you trade with a standard lot size on Euro USD with 100 pips, you are making $10,000. Inti about trading lot size emu ku gold okola just $1,360,000 eze Uganda. Naye ate ogitrading sa ku Euro USD n'okwata pips 10 oba ogenda kukola $335,000 oba $36 eza dola. tuli fena. So guys, you should be very vigilant and careful when trading. Nchidamu atana joining a Telegram channel and go to Yazamanya. You're doing probably something very wrong. Okay? Someone's Mr. Kentcon, what question, my brothers? God is still keeping you for us, bro. You won't die now. No, it's the reality, guys. You should always plan for death. My guy, you should always plan for death. You should always plan for death. Sinalaba joining a Telegram channel. Sinalaba joining a Telegram channel. Munkole ya dala bubi. Esazu nandade mazoko na kale 12. Yes, my brother. Can't I ask the question? Okubira omugago na kole transaction tanateka ko sente ezo. Gaga ko transaction trade yafe bade successful. So another thing, I think this man in Jokancho can get them coco psychology, my brother. What's the HT? Muganda kusinza ngo jwangambye trading emu account yo ezo zimala for today. Era mbadde nja kusaba sebo ontereko kashare kangenze. Kalina bali osobola okuteekako n'osigala ng'okoze account yo. Obanga oyagadde kujja kuziriza ennyini ze tukoze, it's also okay, but I would recommend you to withdraw from the account because the profits oba ozikoze. So kiba better n'olya ku sente zivudde mu katale. Yes, sir. Zibale nkozesa MTN, nkozesa nnyo MTN for transactions, so kati ekyokulala ku nsonga egyo wadde ombuuzizaako simanyi wakonkuludinza otya wadde ongambye kukubire kwata. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Prices nagambye it is $350. That is around 1.3 to 1.4 million. Yes. So 1.4. Anti kati awo obala 1.4 nga twali tugaye nga gwagenda okukola ensonga eyo naye wembanga nze agenda ogikolera then oba oyingira approximately 500 kitegedde. Yes, sir. I have to make sure kubanga ate kizibu kuba nowadays in trading ange naawe ogiraba the account either big or small fe tulina entrading akati entrading akyuseemu si eyaalo. Yes, sir. Okay, kata amount amount total eri 1.8 million, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So kati kibalebale mune wali nonderako ezo ziba tezimkola bubi nkukoleddewo kankoleze message sagala zoge mind live wano bantu bajja kutya Of course. Okay. So I was with my client, with my client wange wano maze omukolera akasente so banno mugamba asasule munnayi wabanga ali trustworthy. Abasinga tubakolera abadduka ne sente zaffe, abasinga obungi badduka ne sente zaffe, kitegedde, abasinga obungi badduka ne sente zaffe. So kati nkomyewo Euro USD atambudde nkiddamu. I'm repeating myself. I've said that Whoever that trades with a standard lot size, one lot size like this on gold, with 100 pips, you are making only $1,000. But if you trade with one standard lot size on Euro USD and you hit 100 pips, you are going to make $10,000 for 100 pips. Nchidamu mu Luganda, omuntu yenna tradinga gold ng'ogenda kukozesa lot size ya 1000 ya standard lot size emu ku gold weight. Tuli fenna bw'okozesa standard lot size emu weight, kitegeeza ogenda kubanga okoze siringi 1000 olwa $. Tuli fenna naye ate w'onooba ng'okozesezza lot emu no tradinga Euro USD pips 10 bwe ziti ogenda kubeera ng'okozeemu dollars omutwalo mulamba ze miliyoni 36. Tuli fenna ensonga eyo tugirowoolezeeko ddala. So any other questions? Abantu bali mu inboxing ku WhatsApp for business. The doors are also open, but tukyali live. Sinaba joininga Telegram channel. Guys, Telegram channel tetambula. Mujoininga Telegram channel yaffe tugende maaso. Ebibuuzo mbiraba biyitirivu naye akantu ako kabalemye okutegeera. Akantu kembagambye aka Euro USD nti omuntu atradinga euro w'okozesa lot size emu oba ogenda kukola $10,000 mutwalo ku 100 pips with Euro USD. Naye ate muganda wange Mr. Saf Breeze Uganda calculate very well, ojja kukitegeera. Naye ate onokozesa one standard lot size ku gold ogenda ba okoze $10,000. You wait and see. Omanyi tubagamba ebintu nembiwakana. Exactly, that's what I was saying. With the one lot size on Euro USD 100 pips you are making $10,000. But with the one lot size on gold, with 100 pips, you are just making only $1,000. Chintu changu cha kutegeera. In simple terms, serves more money per pip. Yes, Euro USD Mr. Kolaga ichogede kitufu. Euro USD will give you more money per one pip like this. Kitegeeza people emwe kuwa $10. Gold people emwe kuwa $1 What we fenda? So aba trading a gold Euro USD size on pips mekaze twakakwata katulabe. Omuntu yayingiridde ku entry yaffe webadde. Oyina ba esaawa zino ngo oyina just pips 25 ziba ntono. Okitegeera. So n'olwensonga eyo nkidamu ba followers sinabalaba tuli numbers nyingi kusoka tulina approximately 70 viewers but follow ntono. So what to follow wins size no my blazer. So what on to following is utadamu tulaba following tusobola okusigala nga tukyali fenna sharing live oyite ku banno sinalaba shares abazina ntono ekyokulala likes muzivuge nazo zigende ku 10k. In simple terms euro, yes, simple terms asasula, and you telling me to leave euro out over ku Euro USD. Yes, other questions? Muna nsonyi okubalira maaso naye ndimuladewa ulcers ate nga sawa za breakfast pade ku green zone. Okay, I know obuzibu mukuba Kenti angamba find next but is IP address necessary. Kenti inboxinga ku Telegram. Inbox mu Telegram as a services abazina simanyanga ku trading ira challenge biki mujemba wengeri kyosolo okulaba nga tukiyitamu you inbox me tusobola bengeje tukiyitamu. First check on Gije. Okay my brother nakubamba de nkyali amalinnya yatunulya euro nga wendya kolaga isoko joininga Telegram channel yange onzizeemu amaanyi. Someone is saying I check on DJ. US Tech nga ayise nnyo sigino gye nawadde ya sero ya US Tech mukoze sente temwina kye mu manja naye mazo basasula. Whoever took the trade on US Tech nkubanja $10,000. Whoever took my signal on US Tech I owe you, I demand you $100. so naye olw'okuba nti tulina target y'olunaku ffe twavudde mudda, then abali ku gold bwe batuusa ku take profit 1 ne batuwa entry ya buy, abagitutte it's also good for you. Naye kati nganze FK it is a Friday, I want to be greedy, nze olwaleero wenkomye songeramu trade unless otherwise. Naye nga US tech enkyamulabira ddala waliwo nakyatukubisa mbukubisa, naye nga trade entuufu ejja, trade entuufu ejja. Questions, but you say siziraba ku MT5. US tech nabaga ku MT5 bagiyita ye Nasdaq. Nas ku MT5 abakozesa XNS bagiyita US tech. Woba ina accounting anene trading a US tech 100 times 100. Woba ina accounting ntono trading a US tech just osobola kubanga you make some money nga to risking account yo. Tulifena sensonga emugirowoozeeko era mugirowolezeeko ddala. Tali kiruma ku nsi kuno nga kuva mu trade ewangula, naye ate kirungi okwewala ofiirwa ssente. Another thing about you traders, trading continuations, my recommendation is whoever that is trading a continuation, it is a very good thing than taking a sniper entry. Whoever that is taking a sniper entry, okola ensobi nnene. Buli akola sniper entry okola ensobi nga nnene ddala. Ekyo nkiddamu, whoever that trades a sniper entry, you're doing something wrong. Continuations, it is very good for you to make money trading a continuation. Tulifena continuations ziyamba, so mwemanyize nnyo ku trading a continuations than trading sniper entries, because sniper entries most of the time watu nafuna confirmation yonna. Abatradinze nange gundi oyo, abatradinze nange Euro USD yiyo gibawadde client wange amaze okusasula ansasulidde ekyemisana kyange. So another thing, so njogedde nnyo about trading, kati tugendeko ku prop farm nazo tuzogeremuko at least for 1 hour tulabe ki ekiriyo. Prop farms, njagala twogere ku prop farm. Njagala twogere ku prop farm ba traders. Prop farms njagala tuzogereko. Ekirungi ekiri mu trading anazi watandika okutula direction muganda wange aba agenze. Emisengate tubiraba luvannyuma. I'm joining Fanning Pips because of WCK. That is very good. Naye towerabira nti WCK Fanning Pip tagijoininze eggulo wamulabye ku interview. Ekyo kye mwalabyawo, that is the result of 10 years of hustling, 10 years of crying, 10 years of tears, 10 years of breaches. Segede. WCK atandika trading a Fanning Pip 2022. 2022 temuli pya utunemu gye twafunanga ya Fanning Pip. Tulifena temuli pya utu yadde neemu gye twafuna. Temuli pya utu neemu gye twafuna 2022 nga ya Fanning Pip. Kitegeeza omwaka gwonna akawunti ze twagulanga zonna zaafanga bufi. Tulifena ne tugenda mu 2023 payout ndowooza yafunamuko 2 zaali za 10 kanana small lot size profit butono awo then zonna ezaddako ne tujja tuzibreachinga okitegeera then wetwatuukira mu 2024 nalaneko kubeera profitable kitegedde that's why mwasobola olaba that interview. So another question, waliwo ambuuza trading sessions zikola zitya e Uganda. Trading sessions zikola webati saawa kasita ziwera 3 ezawana e Uganda, that is the opening of London session. London session trading iramu pairs nga olaba GBP JPY, USD JPY, pairs ezo tutero zi trading am London session. Pound pairs ezisinga zonna tuzi trading am London session, that is probably okuva saawa 3 paka saawa nga 6 tuli fenna. Then saawa 9 zennyini oba 9 New York session ebeera eguddewo, ne trading a New York session paka saawa 11 ku 12. Then the stock market opens, that is tomorrow session gye tuyita the East American session eba serabidde. Session eyo eggulawo saawa 12 netutwala paka mu Asian session tuli fenna. So ezo sessions kigambo session kye kitya wetugamba nti London session, we always mean briefly kyatutegeeza, we mean that London session akatale kaguddewo mu London okitegeera, banka za London zonna tuzigulawo saawa bweziti kyetuyita by session tuli fenna. Banka za London zonna ziba ziguddewo at a given price time, ekyo bayita London session. So tusuubira zonna pay eziri kati London biki zonna tuba tuzisunga nga olaba zi JPYs abakozesa pound tuli fenna. Then another thing, my Muganda Kent nkwagala nnyo nange twakola business nefairinga naye at least era esaawa zino tukyali fenna, kiraga how determined you are my brother, that is very good. Then wetudda ku New York session kitegeeza nti banks zonna eza New York session ziba ziguddewo essaawa bweziti tuli fenna. So kitegeeza any pair nga USD pairs, zi metals, oils nebizadde tuba tuzisuubira otambula mu ezo essaawa. Wetugamba Asian session pairs nga cryptos like the bitcoins and the so on zitambula nnyo mu Asian session. Ensonga ensi yaabwe oba bukyafe waffe nga buziba tuli fenna nga Asia sagedde Asia, ensi zonna eziri mu Asia ebiseera ebisinga obudde bwabwe bubeera bukya nga waffe buziba, waffe babuziba nga obwabwe bukya. So kati essaawa zino Asia buli mu kuziba tuli fenna. So akantu ako kakulu nnyo. So pairs zonna eza Asia nga olaba Australian dollar card ziba zitambula bulungi tuli fenna, ziba zitambula bulungi nnyo. So that's how we could explain the sessions, the New York session, London session, Asian session tuli fenna. So I think ensonga ngizeemu bulungi. Adagala omunyonyola sessions awo muganda wange olwokuba nkuzeemu okwatira ku linki yange eri mu bio n'ojoininga Telegram channel yange atanagijoininga, atanaba kutuwa follow, my dear brother, you are missing out something. Tuweka follow, kwata ku follow button ojoininge obenga nawe osobola tufollowinga. Lastly nja kubebaza 10k likes tuziwezezza kati then tutambule tugende kati ndowooza ku 10k endala. So questions about prop firms, mbadde nkyawa brief information about prop firms. Prop firms nga funding people, prop firm yajja kutuwa ssente era temugigayalirira. Prop firm eyo temugigayalirira. I had some setback. I'm already in your Telegram group. That's good, my brother. We're gonna link there. Tugenda batuwuliziganya. Bulungi nnyo. Now reasons why I took sales on NAS, waliwo akimbuuza no mu inbox. Wotunulira for our time frame engeri gye closinga nga ku Nasdaq closingira waggulu, but olwokuba nti always twadde call time high, there are some tuba tusuubira at least some retracements mu katale era yesterday sales zaabaddewo ne bayambula, so olw'okuba bayambudde always akatale kagenda kutambula nga kaddayo towards that direction, bamaze otuwa direction wagi tukola ki kyetulaga. So wekalaba tekaseerinze right now, there are chances of us seeing sales mu New York session. Lwaki ngamba mu New York session? Lwansonga Nasdaq it is a stock. Nas it is a stock. Are we together? Nasdaq is a stock. So ezo ziba stock zitambula nnyo mu New York session most of the time. What is okwambula? Set a few notification. Okwambula kitegeeza the candle, they have undressed the candle. That's what I can say. They have undressed the candle. The candle has been undressed. Okitegedde my color guy tonampa follow mwana sikutegeera tonakumpa follow nkyali bakugamba tonampa follow Robert Ray. Yes, my brother Robert Ray. My Robert Ray osobola okumpa kagundi ako naye peya kyenda gye twatukolako analysis euro USD tumumaliriza time frame kyebadde 5 minutes wadde 5 minutes euro USD tumumaliriza euro USD tumumaze. So tudde kupeya endala tudde kupeya endala tuddeyo ku gold asaazi nabwadde entry akyatambula tukyali bullish, tulina confirmations za buys weziri. Gold akyali like moving upwards. Twamukozeeko pip 10 wano live, then zinadda akozedde eza sale. Okay, kola guy kangedeko GBP JPY euro USD naye tumumaze. So let us look at Gijje at Wachi. We start with the top down analysis. So get a direction. Wajja kuddaire kitulaga nti tuina the market is moving upwards. It indicates a bullish market. Fernando zatukiraba akatale kalaga kali bullish ku GBP JPY. So twagala tumanye waggulu yo gye kalaga kanatuuka wa. So probably as where we speak kali ku resistance level. Tuina resistance level akatale bekatudde ku Gijje. Tuli fenna so gye tumaze okitegeera nti we are playing with the resistance level on a higher time frame. So tugenda ku minimizing. So oba okola analysis si kirungi nnyo considering the current candle, because whenever you consider current candle it affects you as the trader. Eba ekyali mu motion ekyatambula tulifena candle webanga ekyatambula tetusobola gijjako bujulizi. We don't take evidence or confirmations from a moving candle. Tulifena tosobola kuteeka you cannot take confirmations from a moving what? From a moving candle. Are you together? So what you should do, okola analysis nga you give yourself space. So today ku 4 hour tulaye 4 hour tuwachi. When you come to 4 hour what we tufaanana. So 4 hour ye tulaga nti Gijje yaserinze dda naye ate nga candle ziyasembyeyo kuleta zadde ziconfirminga buys. So esaazi nali mu kwambula. So kitegeeza as we speak Gijje ali mu state of confusion. Kati fe enkola yaffe mugimanyi. Tuba tumaze otegeera direction, or you have to look for the nearest zones ezo okusobola okugenda ku 5 minutes osobola okubanga ofuna list people ezibaana oba 5 ziba zikola for it's probably very enough for one day. So wetujja ku 1 hour set up yo bweti weraga era tulaga nti sales weziri 1 hour yeraga sales zibaseera bali mu kugezaako kurana taking over. And remember Gijje wa seringa kitegeeza gold aba agenda kukola ki? Aba agenda kubayinga. Tukirye, let us go to 5 minutes or 15. In the case of mutagado taking a trades right now, tulabe kyekiri ku 30 minutes yobo etuwefaanana. 30 minutes etulaga nti akatale ka rejectinze. Why was the market rejected? Era okiraba they respected that winch there. Then lwaki wano tubayingiddewo still ya mukiraba there was a state of liquidity. Wadde balina osooka basweepinga awo bajjeko ezoni babenga in a consolidation, then batuwe move ekwaki eddako. So set up nsobola okuwa essaawa zino eya Gijje bwe tuwefaanana. Nze nkulaze zones era nja kugamba nti eno area sooka n'ogimarkinga bulungi. sikyateeko gimaga naye ekyo tumakiza zone nti kitegeeza akatale katukamu area wekaba tekanaba ku closing any other candle for confirmations, then you can be taking some trades there. So we shall say this is our expected buy area, and then here we shall say that this is our expected sell what? Expected sell areas. Remember, to take it a long term it is a buy, but short term we are looking forward to taking some sells. So mwemanyize nnyo, you should always make sure that whenever you analysis, my brothers and sisters that are watching me, make sure that whenever you are doing analysis, consider marking winches, because whenever you mark winches, you are marking liquidity areas, and the market will always, or the money makers, those are the banks, they'll always put their trades towards the what? Liquidity. That's why we say that they put their stop losses towards they put their money towards your stop losses, because more have force liquidity. So to avoid being liquidated, or you want to trade like the bank, my brothers and sisters, always and always consider marking winches. I've emphasized that for all the years that I've been trading live with you guys. I've been emphasizing that every day. Always consider marking winches. So set up the twina yagijja bwete wefanana Mr. Kola Guy. Bro, it's Arafa here. Yes, my brother. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. Do you also Ugandan banks trade? Yes, my brother. Also banks says Uganda also trading. Banks like Stanbic Bank trading. Okay? DTB na trading on when to now branch DTB na jingira they also do trade. What time do you start trading live? New York session in the evening, London session kubanga New York session ntero kuzungamu, so ntero kuzungamu nchiddamu atanatuwa follow okola nsobi ekyokubiri atana joining a Telegram channel my brother. How can we get FX5 Pro Farms code? Whoever that needs an FX5 code, or whoever that needs a discount on FX5 is a good prop farm, inbox me, link in Jajikuwa, you can get a discount. It is either 5%, 10%, it can even be 25%. So FX5 is a good prop farm for traders to trade on. So temujimisinga munjogeza nekachai kange nekanyogoga, munjogeza nekachai kange nekanyogoga. How is Headway, bro? Headway is good, my brother. Headway is good. Is HFM a good broker? According to the reports I get normally, people are complaining about HFM towards the news. Whether Saza Maudi HFM atero kulaluka. HFM alaluka. Saza Maudi HFM alaluka. Naye nga teyandibadde broker mubi abamukozesa nze sibalinaako buzibu, but HFM sawa z'amawulire alalukisa zino nsobola providing obujulizi. Nina abaana mu inbox yange ku NFP awedde, they made some money on HFM and they were banned. Baba banninga okutradinga ku HFM. How can I learn from you? The link is in my bio. Join the Telegram channel. Ebisigade tujja byogerere my brother. Tulivena ebibuuzo sinabiraba. Prop farms sina njagala kumboza prop farm bannaye, njagala kumboza prop farm. How is God-funded trader? God-funded trader is not a bad one. Is a good prop farm. God-funded trader is a good prop farm. Should we stick on XNS? Yes, stick on XNS. Why? I also trade with XNS. Prop farm XNS mulungi, sigamba nti mulungi nnyo, ye broker aliwo asobola otegeera ebizibu byaffe ng'abana Uganda. So I would recommend you tumukozese kubanga atwanguyiza. Segede man, I need the prop farms to work a challenge. We all trade together. Esa wazino vakuita prop farm ya 6K one step challenge njitaddeyo. Investments charge kola. I don't do investment. Wana investment yansula mabanja bade manje we milioni nga 15 kwa 2 naye so fezi singanzi sasudde kati manje we milioni nga 5. yana zo ndi muzisasula. So I don't do investments but account management nsobola mukola bwetubanga tulichinza utulungi ne tukola account management mukolera ddala kutandikira ku $5 kudda waggulu. From $500 and above we do account management. Prop firms nso kuwa tips nozi trading nozikozesa okutradinga oba sekyo you can look forward to see how you can copy some trades from us. Then waliwo mbuziza any word for FBS broker katolabanga obye HFM market katoleta FBS ateye mufere mulala waba broker wabasajja balina mu kusente nenga woba mukozesa with small money bajja kuwa bano ba broker bona benjogerako my ideas woba okozesa sente entono bajja kuwa. So the best broker that I would recommend you to use should be Derive. Derive is a good broker. Why? They will give you the forex market, they will give you the indices, the synthetic indices market, and they will give you the stock market. So Derive is a good one, but the problem with Derive is only one that chijanyo mu obuzibu obusanga nnyo mukola withdraws zikaluba. What I can say is that withdraw job otaddeyo method jokozesa mu kudepositinga, it should be the same method that you should use making withdrawals. Tulifena bro, which strategy do you use? I said I use all strategies. Watching a matter, I use all strategies. It is majorly because buli strategy ekola. Just the problem is that go about failures or jitegera. I normally find people abusing ICT and SMC. My dear brothers and sisters here, ICT and SMC they work, but the problem is that you personally don't understand it. You personally you don't understand it. Kati wobo jitegedde oija kuyambako kubanga okola sente. So that's why I say all strategies are very good, but me personally nga FK what I teach is called an impulsive strategy. I remember explaining why I call my strategy to be an impulsive strategy. I gave the reason because we say that every after consolidation there should be an impulse. Now with the impulsive traders, we always wait for the impulse to give us a direction, then we go with the market. Are you together? Trading is hard, withdrawing should not be a problem. That statement was said by our biggest mate at WCK. Trading is very hard and you should make sure that withdrawing should be very simple. Njagala to start prop farms na yes simanyi how I can start to do so. My dear brothers and sisters, mwena aba trading olwaleero mutandiko trading prop farm nga mukyasobola kubanga gye bujja maaso prop farms ezigenda okubeerawo era prop farms ezo zijja bakolera sente. I promise you will make money in prop farms. Better start now. Official actually you should send me a message on Telegram after joining the Telegram channel. With prop farm information, with my view I don't recommend find the next, but it's okay. But personally FK as the Find the King, I don't recommend you find the next. However, find the next wango trading with small account so bajja kusasula naye kati fe abalina targets ezi trading accounts ennene njagalamu emitwalo 2, 3, 4, mitwalo 10 tebatusasula ebiseera ebisinga. Nina complaints bangi n'ogenda ku Trustpilot ojja kisangayo nti Find Next it has a very bad review. It's very bad for the Find Next, so I wouldn't recommend you as my fellow traders sente zaffe tumenyeko zifuna. Sijja ku recommendinga kubanga you go on for Find Next. The other prop firms like Finding Pips zikozese. The other prop firms like Finding Pips zikozese, FX5 nungi, FTMO nungi mujikozese. Do you trade for people with the capital? Yes, from $500 and above. $500 and above gonna linkozeko naye so okukiriza kale 350 naye nga normally it is 500. Someone's asking me prop numbers simbi naye nchaji tunulamu. I'm still looking to into nchaji mukujikola ko review. I'm still making some review kuyo ate equity age muganda wange tontabula toyogera ku equity age 1 tontabula equity age tontabula. In the personal with my experience with funding with the equity age, I was not paid. Na trading an empita phase 1 phase 2 sasa sura steged tukolereyo accounting ya prop farm yokanga teri content wo as a person, but especially for prop farm yeno enyini yeno yenyini gogenda olabe video zonna ezisembyewo almost around 30 videos zonna zogera ku prop farm era content wange nagenda mujjamu musigale mu prop farms then nze n'account yange endala era mujaba mugiraba ejo beera mu lifestyle yange era nayo bagita funded king. I'm trading with Got Funded Trader is a good one. Got Funded is a good one. Marvin is there, also witness, is a victim. Prop farm nimba site prop farm equity age ya musimanga mujita equity bichita ya musasula. Baina yingide wano kapea kanu naye peya yake kalubye ka. Dazi chakola. Okay. Naye era nga entry jeba dembi katika holding ka trade kano daije ka nkomyo just ekibadde kinumyeto omugaga adde akasasula ataka utigenda mochi modro down litega yara trikochi. You know the worst thing of account management kwe kubanga client wo amazo kusasula ate waba amazo kusasula ate account no blowing. It is very bad chiruma. So I'm trading with Got Funded Trader. It's very okay. Equity Edge failed to pay me oyo mujulizi mumuwulidde sinze nze kamizo kabefika wala na farm nedda tukole the challenge ya prop farm together. Okay, I'm going to start that. Mr. Robert Ray, so kompeka follow ako joining a Telegram channel ne WhatsApp ompeleze ka message. Challenge ngenda jikola. I promise you guys ngenda gula 10k account to trading enga live wano. Staking a trade okujja ngeri wano. Due to physical mentorship njikola na very expensive. Physical mentorship was asula $10. Physical $10 olwa $. Osasula $10 olwa $. Oba yagala mentorship wa online oyo tutesa. Naye sawa zino nina running classes $85 just for this July. Then one-on-one just for one day $35. Owa Got Funded owedde. Owa God Odinyo kakasa choyogera muganda wange kyogamba you want to say that Got Funded yakuyisa bwegaali. I'm trading with a Got, okay, gonna kulabye which is fair and a good prop farm funding pips of course. Ate prop numbers abana bali mujingamba nange charge tunulamu naye no malenga FK njagala nyo tunula ku ogwa recommendation yonna. I normally prefer giving recommendations nga at least mazoko experience wanga njifunyemu kono basi jifunya payout nenga njiseko ndawa trading community because sagala nyo kuwa bana bintu bitagenda kola. Prop farm trader sijimanyi na spreads zange nga nene ku small time frame broker chi at 5% is a very good one. What's your view on future prop farms? Futures nungi naye according to what I saw wana Uganda tebatukiriza trading simanyi lwaki prop farm waliwo complaining XNS is enganda ba spreads simbi zerabe XNS spreads zayo tezibadde mbi ebyaddala tezibadde mbi. Henry simanyi XNS kijokozesa naye nze gyenkozesa ezange ndaba ziri fair. How are the zero spreads account for XNS? Okay, tuogere ku ekyo. Mwana. Okay, what you should do, omuntu trading a zero account bane sente nga nene. Bane sente nene kuba commission wawe mungi. Commission mungi. Funded next yalese future accounts. Funded next mwa abamanyi is funded next mbabulidde ekyange. Ebisigadde it's up to you. Sasula besa sudde. Prop farm zikola bwezi tikati nga funded next. Funded next ejja kusasula ka balina sente ntono. Awulira. Naye ate wokola sente nyingi tejja sasulwa. Kola kati FK like recently WCK yakola $5,000 ejja $1 ku funding pips. Funding pip yamuyitiddewo nemuwa interview international agency yonna nemukola ki nemumanya nga mufirika. Naye ate funded next omwana yasemba kukola $5,000 yamubaninga. Okitegeera? Yamubaninga. Henry, they are the same, just be the candles and Mereva straight. Okay, so byange kadem try katono wano ku set up zaffe kandabe ku gundi ono so like Naz otunya set up ya Naz kitufu laki sero najiyingidde wakyaliwo ababuuza ngenda baddamu so kagira kavaawo ndowooza. Omwana ono yampereza akalawo namwagadde yampereza banaye yampereza yawo ka gift nammwe abalala ababulina temugaana buweereza trading si mwangu. Okay, so these are the reasons as to why I took sales on gold on this pair. Abazze nga mukola nange for a given period of time nina kyempita indecision candles, indecisive candles ezitasazeewo wa gye ziraga era wotuna that is the zone gye tulimu ku 30 wotulaze ku 5 minute bwetu weebeefaanana tuli fenna omanyi naze trading amu nazi yanjawulo nnyo ku ndala lwakwala bestasobola balaga online wane eno nga byo biri private bambi butipu bwange nange bwebutuyambako okulya ekyemisana n'okusasula rent baadallah. So that was the entry. Take profit yange ebyaddala eri wansi wano njagala simanyi abanaatuuka ku winch eno kwa baagano breaking out but I expect a breakout today. So that's why I took the sales on nazi. Confirmation yange yabadde ku indecisive candles era bwe bazituuseeko negene kati ola ne wano kazoni kewa creatives baganya ka breaking. So essaawa zino ffe ababeera baateekize sales za nazi tubeera mu ki tubeera mu miwunyo myereere shegede naye nga nze nakozedde ekijja kijje njagala wano ono ensuubi oteeka bay weneebezzeewo baadallah naye nga inshaallah ejja kutuukawo nga mwetuli then wano enatadde seero era stop loss yange ebadde tight essaawa zino enjogeri abayingire nange nabagambye dda muyingire break even nabagambye seero nga tukyali awo abatandise nange live eno mukiwaako obujulizi nemba encouraging to use tight stop losses era abatradinze nange eyo pair yatusasudde da era ne kati as we see we are still bearish but akatale kakyakola kyekakyalwana oyita kazoni kano kazoni kafuuse ekizibu. So meanwhile ayina ekibuuzo feel free to ask. Yes. Questions. Fandy King knows better. Chibuzo kikyabuuzizza. Yo bro, about Fandy Next. Fandy Next as FK Bagambia, I don't recommend any trader kugitradinga. Abazere eti gold twakoze da sente. Twayingidde sales, netuyingira ne buys netuzivaamu. Kataza I speak babaya bakomyewo because nabakoledde analysis bagamba it is a bullish market. Era the market is moving upwards. So katawa trading nange gye tuyita impulsive strategy. Impulsive strategy yatusasudde dda but yeah, I'm going to explain mnamwagala no but to be perfect okuba wamazima what I'm going to do ekyecha impulsive strategy the impulsive rule njaji explaining mu Telegram yange. So kitegeeza n'abayagadde okubaako kyayiga ku impulsive strategy engeri gyekolamu Telegram. You must have joined my Telegram channel. Ebisigale tujja birabira eyo inshallah tujja birabira eyo. So mujoining, what do you prefer trading ekituufu kiri nti nze engeri ndi swing trader njagala nnyo trading higher time frames era okuba ndi ku live ate I sell signals kati ntera okugaba za 5 minutes na 15 kale ekinene nnyo neba 30 okitegedde Mr. Putin. So Mr. Putin ekibuzo ky'obuuza kirungi nnyo era nja kusaba sebo otuwe follow yo otuwe ne like yo otujoininge ne mu Telegram yaffe sigale nga tuli ffenna kuba ekibuuzo ekyo kibuuzibwa bagezi bokka. So brother Dizigalo oyabeera sweet mula mulabyekaawo. Okay, can I buy a 5k prop farm and you pass it for me? My brother nazi mumulaba waayika eyo katugenze ezo sente ziba ziyigidde. La ilaha illallah. So what would you guys never gambi? I told you guys it's recommended for traders to trade for traders to take trades on like recommending okubanga you trade with continuations nungi. Omuntu yamisinze entry ya sero ya gundi sero ya naz obadde ne entry waneeno. This was a perfect entry for you. That was a perfect entry. Era wato gitutte, let's assume nti eri waggulu kale tuvuddeyo era ojja kulaba nga entry yo eri wano. Simanyi mu confirmation muzijjawa naye nze byaddala with the forex alhamdulillah kino kyamukyerabira. Today is Friday. Ono zoni yaffe yasoose weebadde yatwadde pipu zaayo awo katutwala gundi ddala. lwaki barejectinze mwana musodo realizing addewo winchi wane eno due to the border close gyade batuwadde, that's why the market closed there. Kitegedde? So I would recommend temwerabira, it's Friday Muslims, leero Friday Juma, temujerabira, temwerabira ejjuma. Lunaku olw'ejjuma tusoma ku Qur'ani nga suratul Kahfi, alhamdulillahi alladhi anzala ala abdihi alkitaba walam yaj'al lahu iwaja qayyiman liyunzira, mujimanyi mwena okufaazwa abakwata Qur'an mujimanyi bulungi. Yesebo Junior, yesebo my brother Junior, tapping akalike kafo joining Telegram, my mentor yesebo. So today I'm very happy because honestly speaking setup zetukoze zonna zibadde accurate era zitambudde. Kyakubiri nammwe temumungiye eyo mubadde active however much muganyo sharinga Telegram okusharinga TikTok yaffe letera views abantu wezeo kale ba views nga 10 plus ekyo kyomuganye naye nga I'm very happy for you guys. Nawadde signal ya gold netuwa sente mirundi esatu sero buy ne sell zonna tuzikozeemu. Then ekyokulala nemba wa sero buy ya euro USD naye tusasudde, bawadde GBP akoze kati ne nazi naye akoze. So all the 5 setups is active. So someone's asking me the difference between static and trading drawdowns. So trading drawdowns basically kwe kubanga stop loss ejje funda webagamba nti okoze together assume you have made profits today, obanga okoze profits olwaleero owulira enja profits batolina ate zifiirwa mostly, kale bajja kugamba obanga drawdown ebadde ku 3%, the following day ogenda boyina 2% bw'okola profits, stop loss ejje funda like obanga ayingira mu profits you entering in profits tuli fenna. Naye ate kyetuyita static kwe kubanga stop loss eri wamu nga olabya funding people bajja kugamba nti tofiirwa bweziti ne zino tokola bweziti tofiirwa bweziti tuli fenna. So ekyo ekintu the difference eri between the static and trading stop loss. But I'm sharing a live, share the live to your fellows, share the live to your channels, share the live to your WhatsApp, share the live mujisharing bana ebyo tebitera kubaawo nolaba weebiri abafollowinga mbalaba mbebaza amaanyi ago naye musharinge abatana joininga Telegram channel wa mutawaana nnyo alhamdulillah. Olunaku lwaleero guys, olunaku lwa Juma, it's a Friday era mukkirize tusomeyo aya zaffe kale 5 eza suratul Kahfi. Suratul Kahfi yali emu ku sunna ombaka zeyatukubiriza okubanga tukola olunaku lwaki olw'ejjuma. A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Saa mumpa obudde mumpulirize mbasomeremu aya ezo 5 kale nnya, then tugende maaso live stream yaffe inshallah. Omanyi, in everything that you do guys, I would recommend you never forget your Lord. Tuwerabiranga Katonda wange my guys, tuli fena. So today it is Friday, kamba somere aya zino 5 at least ezempera fena tuzifune mufune z'okuwuliriza nze mfune z'okusoma. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله الذي أنزل على عبده الكتاب ولم يجعل له عوجا قيما لينذر بأسا شديدا من لدنه ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا حسنا ماكثين فيه أبدا وينذر الذين قالوا اتخذ الله ولدا ما لهم به من علم ولا لآبائهم كبرت كلمة تخرج من أفواههم إن يقولون إلا كذبا صدق الله العظيم. So ezempera tumaze zifuna tsalla kirize tusomyeyo aya zaffe 5 mu suratul Kahfi. Tusaba ekitiibwa Katonda waffe omulungi abenga awuliriza okusaba kwaffe. Allahumma amin. Allahumma madha? Allahumma amin. Kati ndi nammwe waliwo ngambye alhamdulillah sallah kirize explain more about equity based and balanced based. Okay, equity based zikola zita. Equity based kwe kubanga bajja kusinzira ku profits zowagaddewo nazeggulu. Obanga account tugeze ya mitwalo 10 nga wasuze okoza amagoba ga 2,000 enkya bena ababala drawdown yo bajja sinzira babala zonna nti emitwalo 10,000 drawdown eba kitegeeza onaku tolina fiirwa 10 mmeka 3,000 oba tofiirwa amagoba g'ebbiri tolina gafiirwa then ne10 mmeka ne3 tuli fenna. So eyo ensonga gye bayita equity based. Naye ate balanced based kiba kitegeeza nti n'oba akoze amagoba ga mitwalo 5 ga 15,000 then the following day you are not supposed to lose only from the initial amount eri emitwalo 10 amagoba ago tebagabala tuli fenna. So ekyo kye bayita balanced based ne equity based tuli fenna. Someone is asking me, do you have a re-entry on NAS? Re-entry esooka twagiyingidde entry esooka twagiyingidde re-entry tugiyingiddeyo kubiri kati eyokusatu tunagiconfirminga confirminga re-entry eyokusatu. We haven't confirmed the second entry. Someone is asking, do we have re-entry? Kyonkuzeemu update on Euro USD. Okay, let me see update on Euro USD. Update on Euro USD agamba ki ali mu kuyiika. It is a re-entry. Mutekinge buys, take the buys, re-entry on Euro USD. You can take the buys. Take the buys on Euro USD. It's a re-entry. I said trading continuations is far better than taking sniper entries. Taking the entries, it is very far better than taking sniper entries. Mukyemanyize era mukyemanyize mwewale nnyo trading sniper entries, muyige nnyo okutakinga continuations zijja bayambako to win more. But moreover kati concept endala gye tukola wano lwaka kino saa kigane kankyogere concept gye tukozesa wano endala it is blowing the entry kakasa nti stop loss yere yasoose either you close the trade oba sekyo you move in break even so that you only risk on one trade, you don't have a double risk. So that is my unprofitable kibaawo. Henry olaba unprofitable, it comes with experience. Okubeera profitable, it comes with experience. The more you trade, the more you gain the experience. The more you gain the experience, the more you're going to minimize the unprofitableism. And sometimes you be knowing everything and you find that you are the problem as to why you are still losing money. What I can assure you is that, my brother, losses will always be there. Lwaki losses zigenda beerawo, psychological losses zijja beerawo olw'ensonga zino wammanga. Ekisooka abatrader twagala okwongera mu running trades, be it profits or losses. We traders, we always want to add in more trades, and that thing is causing very many traders outside there to lose a lot of their funds. Tulifena? So okwewala ekyo ekizibu, you should avoid adding in trades. Secondly, you should avoid using big lot sizes, Mr. Henry. Mr. Henry, you should avoid using big lot sizes. Bwokwesa lot sizing nene ogenda kwesanga bakujjeemu ate ng'ekintu kibadde kituufu, so you find yourself long run ng'oli unprofitable. Tulifena? Impatience is the problem. Yes, Mr. Don Grace 256 tukulabyeko my brother bana abaka joininga. Don't forget to give us the like, the share, the follow, the everything that you should do for us. Bana mujituwe atana joining a Telegram channel, my brother chikole ku bulungi bwo n'abazzukulu. Joining a Telegram channel yaffe tutambule. Join the Telegram channel. Trading using robot and trading for yourself, what is better? Of course, trading for yourself. Kati nze wano nkozesa roboti gwetolanga setup zonna zetuze tukola alhamdulillah zibadde active, zonna zikoze setups ngezi. Nagabye sero ya gold, nengaba buy ya gold, nengaba buy ya gold emirundi ezisatu, nengaba euro USD buy ezo nnya, nengaba sero ya nazo ogwasoose ogwokubiri, ezo setups mukaaga. 7 setups wano wentu do nakulwalira, and you people abaliko mubadde witness. 7 setups is active. I'm not using any robot. So kati lwaki oba okozesa robot ng'osobola okubyekolera? Kyakubiri, to make matters worse, kino nkyogera wano ku live nga nkibaddiramu wane Uganda tetulinayo robot ntuufu, batono nnyo abakola robots entuufu. Kati simanyi oba mentawo alimu abo balina robot entuufu. Bayitabuze simanyi nabaani balina robots. Omuntu omu kwe nalindabyeka yali alina robots ate nga nazo zatuuka ne zikurashinganga, yali Dinero. About trading is a bank and was a Dinero Momomanyi. You know that trader who was called Dinero is the only guy that had good trading robots to an extent nange nagikozesako emu naye at the end of the day ye kyeyakolanga omuwa strategy yo, then he had to code it into a software, then he gives the software, you trade it. So onambuziza ekibuuzo ono NAS and gold which is more volatile. So NAS is volatile but Nasdaq asingako lwa nsonga okozesa katika kano kakakubulira ku NAS. When you use one standard lot size on Nasdaq, when you use one standard lot size on Nasdaq, when the market goes to your direction, tulifena NAS tugeza NAS atambudde pips 10 with one standard lot size agenda kuwa omutwalo almost mulamba, ate yaso aja kuwa dollars azitowanga gold naye yasinga ku gold okuzitowa nti olunaku asobola kuwa pips 4 ne zibe 10 zomeka 14 NAS. Era this is the secret. Ezimu prop firms abamu kwakyasiza okwanguyizibwa oyita prop firm ku leaderboards omulabako bakozesa Nasdaq oba US30 oba Dow Jones, ezo ze pairs eziyita prop firms. Gold ayita naye gold ali so winchful, awinchinga nnyo ate ekyokulala abuukabuuka esaawa zino abayinga naseerinze nabayinga, you understand. Someone is saying giant ayina robot ekyo mbadde sikimanyi wabanga agirina maybe ayika yabiyiseemu nasala wagiba wenge ekola webatekola ekyo nakyo kiri gyali nammwe abagigula naye nga nze FK I recommend to trade for yourself. Oba tosobodde okugula robot alise omuntu mwakolera account management naye nga nze I don't recommend robots. Robots always crash. Robots zicrashinga tulifena kale ezo pairs emadde zeeza ayina ekibuuzo akibuuze, njagala tugendeko ku prop firms nazo tuzogereko. Esaawa zino ndi mu 0.01 eya NAS naye empadde dollars aga 5 0.01 just akali entry oshegede eri mu dollar aga 5. Kati gwe my brother ali yakyalwanagana n'akatale okikola otya? Fe tulina muzi break even kati mwe tusirikidde. Kale tetugenda beera bamulwe ezo zimala for now, tujja linali entry eddako tulabe ekinaava kiddako awo. So should a beginner trader like me leave XA alone? Yes my brother, leave it alone. I have got 15 pips Nasdaq. That's very good my brother. Abdurrahman Kajumba, Mr. Kajumba, webale sebo kutwala sigino ya fere kukoleda alhamdulillah alazim. Inshallah jukutemo bulungi era mutwe ku center abagifunyemu. Isan je my brother obi Isan wambulako wallahi wambulako nyo Isan wadawa Isan so peza ka message my brother baku center. By the way Isan yogo mulabao is one of the traders that motivated me to start trading prop firms, to focus seriously on prop firms. And he's trading and he encouraged me. Kubanga by then, he's started trading on my forex fund. That was 2021 or 2020, around there. Not trading my forex funds. Nangamba FK, you try, you buy a 5K, you buy. Now, alhamdulillah, my brother says, I'm the Fanedy King, the one you gave that inspiration. He gave me the inspiration to go for it. Second, so that is it. Wamita agamba atya sigamba my blazer sigamba mpozi gwe Mr. Guys nabagambye mu following temwalabira following atana joining Telegram channel yaffe oli mu kola nsobi is a setup zange zonna zemba wadde zibadde active okujja ko linga tasiima busiimi naye omuntu asiima toyinza kumisinga kubanga otradinga na muntu ngati Nasdaq MT5 watu watukoze olwaleero nze olunaku lwange terubadde lubi alhamdulillah mpitiddemu prop farm nenkole client wange mukoledde yakasente. Meanwhile alhamdulillah for today. So njagala balina ebibuuzo ku prop farm, ku broker, ku forex, we go forward. Agala okumeetinga, you can find me Metroplex, that's my location. Sorry to ask Nasdaq ye NAS. Yes, Nasdaq ye NAS 100. So, as a pairs tuzimaze kati kantunako ku pair jabaita. Which pair should we look at? What time frame is that? That was 5 minutes. 5 minutes time frame ku NAS atusasudde. Nina account yange kwenkola ya swing trades malozi keberako ndabe. Sere njina nina kolota 100 wano ku NAS 100. naye entry sagitutte nkyalimu so mugumileko ekyo nti FK nkyalimu with lot 100 XAU Nakitende Bridget simanyi oba otufollowinze ojoininze telegram yaffe. So people want me to look at gold kana gold akyali bullish nabagaye gold ali bullish yatukubyeko take profit emu take profit yo kubiti yaji respect agituuseeko naddayo waggulu neera ndabaga bali entry ya sero nga mbadde sinagiraba abyaga bali entry ya sero wano ati akavuyo kali awo muganda wange sero mugireke mutekewo buy sero ya gold mugireke katale kakyali bullish. We are still bullish on gold. And another thing about gold right now, sisobola kubawa signal tetunafuna confirmations nungi twascalpinzeho 100 pips emirundi esatu ne tuvaamu. So ne buy nayo tugikutte bakwete profit nayo tuvuddemu. So let us look at GBP USD tulabe ye akola atya. How many is smaller funded? How much is smaller funded? Mitwalo nga 25 kale ekitone nnyo bala emitwalo nga 15 minimum. Finding pip kiba kirungi ejja kukolera which time frames do you get your confirmations? Time frames zonna zisobola okuwa confirmation naye wabaawo eri ekisi so katukola analysis wagundi ono tulabe kikyagamba Giyu GBP USD Tanzania daily to like a trim downtrend. The market is moving downwards. Currently is trying to give us a change of character. So katika top down analysis tulabe tugenda mulaba nsobola ba sell limit ndowooza. Let me give you a sell limit. Put a sell limit on 334. The price is 3345. Sell limit 335. Yes, teka or sell limit yaffe kale. Stop loss very very tight. Is squeeze $5 10. I'm only risking $10 there. Take profit ojiteke ko 3282.76. Sell limit njiddamu 3345 for gold 0.674. Then take profit should be 3282. Then stop loss should be 3356. I'm only risking $10 on gold. $10 on gold. Sell limit njitaddewo munagamba sagibawadde why. So tugende maaso ne analysis wa gije twayigije kikyatuwa. You deserve a follow. Yes, my Tina take out follow yo. Raj is asking how much the 50k one name ordinary mentorship for beginners. Yes, my blazer, it is there. Tugende 4 hour. When you come to 4 hour to in zones of February, but the hours I expect to give you to come to this zone. Let us mark, yes, here should be the low risk area. Naye ijaberi wala 4 hour tusinzire kweno winchi yawo so that tukirya 1 hour we shall find it there. Era naye afaanana euro, they have the same structure with euro USD somehow. Naye nga wembagambye confirmations zetuyina so far ku GU zitulaga indication yachi yaba sellers. There is an indication for sellers on 1 hour. So mukirize kweno pair ya GU sigenda kugoinga beyond 1 hour so that tuleke kubeera liquidated. Kubanga lwogenda kwa time frame, lwogenda ku lower time frame, you're increasing the chances of being liquidated. You're increasing the chances of being liquidated. Tulifena? So kwa lege bizibu na ata still wano wetu tuyinza gamba nti aliku resistance and resistance nafu ekyali weak lwansonga eno kando yagaddewo with a strong momentum kuli kwenyini kwe yatudde kitegeera. So ebeera weak eyo USD GBP USD. So tusuubira sales. We shall wait for entries for the sellers to take over and we see where we are going. Kalifena? Yes, twatufunyeemu obuzibu wano ka network. One of the client yadda ankubira essimu sikitegedde. So guys, temukuba simu you are disturbing the network. Temukuba simu network oba ogitta otta network. Okay? So tukomyewo live. Tukomyewo guys, questions tugende maaso. Yes, questions. Kana imomboza ku bibuuzo. Buuza ebibuuzo kyotamanyi kyoyagala okukonfaminga anything, how to identify weak areas and strong areas. Okay, let me come to that. Okay, how to identify strong areas. Do you trade based on time frames? I trade based on a lot of things, my brother Abdurrahman Kajumba. Support this life. Sirinaako nadiwerezayo coins nga musanvu, around 70 coins naye simanyi oba ninako sokyeka ninako zinagenda. Yes, your purchase was successful. Waliwo omulala aweereza kagundi awo ndowooza. What do I need to after passing programs? KYC. KYC is necessary. KYC is needed for you. Nowadays signal, I've said I've given you a sell limit on gold. It is a free signal. Free signal. It seems like there is some problem with your life quality and learn how to improve. No. Okay. Someone is like I was giving a sell limit on gold. Sell limit is 3345.674. The sell limit jemba what day? Tuliwe na then ye sell limit jemba wadde agalo yingira seerozi naawe oli ku lulwo osobola oyingira seero naye wandirinze kakanda aka ka 30 minutes engejje ka closing amutulabe waje kalaga kitegedde kiba kirungi osooka n'okonfaminga nga tona reactinga kubanga whenever you do a quick reaction you end up nga oli mu kiboko, you end up in serious kiboko. Naye nga nze kalimiti nkabawadde abakatwala mu katwale then n'abatwala zi sniper namwe mugitwala. So ambuuziza kigenda ma someone trying to call me network kiki. Someone is playing. Anyone calling me, please don't call. You're disorganizing the network. Whoever that is calling right now. Sawa Mukaga. We are here until 6:30 so that we go for prayers. Okay. Network bro, network akituufu. Network akituufu nange njiraba. So, gundi watulia ku GBP, baada conclusion yangu on GPY, on GBP USD setup baada efanana bwetyo. We look forward to that setup. Eja kutuyamba, we say that we shall expect to buy from here. Even expected buy eri wano. This is our expected buy. That's the expected buy areas. Then this is the expected sell areas here. On our zones, then we have the low risk areas. We shall expect take a re-entry. Some people have already started entering buys, but in the Nganze, Wabanganze, FKs are trading. I will see that trade agent take out right now. Take the senior trade agent take out. Because akatale kachali mu banga, it is still in space, so tetuna amanya waje tudda. Twagala so low risk areas affe tuzirabe abasinga bali mu buyinga giyu. I don't know why we are buying and why you are selling. Tuchali mu consolidation, it is a range, meaning tetunafuna confirmation yonna for now. Actually, risk areas are zigenda wo. having trouble with network. Tuli ku 30-minute time frame ya GBP USD. Facing network issues, guys. So there are the lowest carriers. Why to get a come 1 hour to go going beyond 1 hour? Why? Because Walabera liquidated. To avoid liquidation. Okay, that's why we said we shall take 1 hour to get the last time frame for this pair. At Abagalo swinging, I would also recommend you to use 4 hour, 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. Is a very good one for swinging. Okay, agala okuswinginga kola kyekimu. Whoever that wants to swing, ekyo kyoba okola. So wetwe tuyimiridde. Any question? Bana mubuuze kwa mutabuuza mba nebowa. Ekiva mu kwebowa nga mbagamba goodbye. Yes. Ebibuuzo ebiwadde bana eba traders. Bana ye munyambe sijiraba ko MT5. Do you have XNS? How much capital is capable for swing trading 1,000 and above? 1,000 and above is capable for swing trading and you make some good money. So tulinze try 30 minutes closing etya ne 1 hour. Gold, are taking a gold, you can't away closing, then you shall be taking sales. You get closing it below that zone. Below the zone. What you get sales at a sales and pound dollar. Then got a sell limit. Najiva what day I gave you the sell limit, it is already there. The sell limit is already there. Sell limit is already there. Yes. And I'm sharing a live via fair. Try to find network errors. Share the live. I'm sharing a live via fair to gain them so. Share the live, we go to Liso. Gasibalaba guys. Abuzo biwedde byonna mbyandukudde. Byomini byonna bibuzo byammwe mbizeemu. I mean all your questions have been replied. We are live on TikTok right now. Any questions? Where is the sell limit? Sell limit najibwadde mu abaganyo gitwala. nabwadde da sell limit yange muganje gitwala kakati tatebya tikande esooka closingidde wansi 15 minute closingidde wansi. Let us now wait to see the confirmations. Tulabe nga bitugenda muki. What is KYC? KYC okola verifications to verify that gwe babagala national ID, bagala nnyo bank statement, and secondly babeera bagala nnyo kyetuyita bagala nnyo bank statement ne bagala nnyo national ID original. Owulira original babajjajjagala bajja kwagala. Muganda wange tapping a link mu Telegram channel, joining the Telegram channel yaffe. Tap the link and join our Telegram channel. Yes, share the live, share the live stream. Sharing nga tugende mu maaso ffe tuli twazze kulema. Ebibuuzo nga sibifuna. I am not getting the questions. So driving permit tekola. Driving permit, I've never used it, but chemanyi ejja kukola. So kadde mtunuye ku NAS, tulabe NAS waffe ndoza mulaba gundi giyo kyali mukola nabagambi katade bayingidde buys munaatubuulira why you entered the buys. Yagala ba NAS dakatuuseewa. Driving permit tekola. Yagala laba driving permit tejja kukola. Driving permit tejja kukola. Driving permit tegenda kukola, sisuubira nti enaakola kubanga driving permit eyo kuliko documents ezibazibulako. Ku driving permit. Network, I'm having a problem with my network. Nazidaka afaanana atya? What are you trading like 5 minutes? Okay, Nazi akyabawa ssente. Nasdaq akyatuwa ssente mpitirivu nno ddala. Whoever that took the trades, I'm sure you are in big blues. And the take profit is almost being hit. Take profit is being hit very soon. On respecting the kazoni kana ka consolidation. We have respected this consolidation zone. Kitegeeza kati batuwadde entry endala. Entry endala. Entry endala ya sero yiyawo. Byebyange nze alina kyammanja oba musobya naye nga bwatyo trade wetambudde. bwetyo trade bwetambudde olwaleero. Era driving permit ejja kukola. Forex trader is asking me how the trades today. Man, trades zonna tezinambeerera mbi, alhamdulillah. So according to me zonna ndaba zitambudde era zibadde successful. Bank statement mu KYC basobola ogikozesa naye ejja kujja nga last option. It has to come as the last option for you to be able to use. Ate bayita tutagikozesa ku gundi ku proof of residence or proof of address. Kitegeera ojja kukozesa driving permit. Tuli fena? Baseera azifa abalina amaanyi. We are driving downwards. We are driving crazily downwards. Nemwe muna simanyi kyemujagaza nabadde ne seero ya gold naye ne mugitwala. Seero limit tebagiyingidde naye abayingidde confirmation nganze sente tuzikoze ezo. Kati tuholdingemu katono tulabe where the market is taking us. Manyi trading is all about holding. Watu sobola kugumiikiriza, sobola kukola sente nyingi. Last year kisembayo nsaba mbajjukize nti olwaleero it is a Friday akatale ka misbehaving, so wabawo higher chances of traders to lose more money trading the forex market, especially those that who take trades on Friday. So you find someone losing the entire profits that they have made. You find someone losing them. Yes, questions. Tutuleko ku gold ndowooza nazi tumaze omubawa. Just mate na interviews naye bino bimpakingirako ndetera gilasi y'amazzi naye nga teganyogogayo. Okay, thank you. Kati dea gilasi y'amazzi bino bimpakinge.
Chai togena muno.
Maze. Neyazi. So guys, let us look at agabuguma nga teganyogoga.
Oyagala pocha obanga
No.
What are room temperature?
Yes, nagali ku nnomo yago.
Tuyina renzo.
It's okay.
Sanga wabidde nga byota.
So ababadde nange nga tutandika, we took trades on gold. Era take profit yaffe yasoose bagiwadde respect. We were able to get 100 pips downwards, then nebaddamu ne babayinga. Kati currently bw'oba otunulidde the forex market weeri eri ku 50% of FIBO levels, kitegeeza there are higher chances of akatale okumuvinga where to move upwards. Okitegeera waliwo chances nyingi akatale okuddamu moving upwards ku level gye kaliko. Singa banayita ku eyo level ne badroppinga downwards, then we shall really confirm that we are still moving downwards on gold. So wano kiraga tusobola okuddamu ne tuyiika kuba kati akatale we kali mu kulwanagana n'abaseeraazi. Kati awaliwo olutalo lw'amaanyi awo. network issue. Just have a network issue here, but so tambulirawo. A network issue. They are the same brokers, who call them slightly different names. Some questions. So what are tutegeeza trading olunaku olwaleero? Tutradinze gold, tutradinze euro USD, ne trading ne NAS 100. So probably abo bonna abazitutte, they have been able to make some money with us today, and apparently olunaku olwo olutambudde, it is a Friday. Katonda wanaabakkiriza tusobola okuddamu ne tusisinkana mu New York session, naye nga nze FK I would like to zembaddeko zimala. So ayina ekibuuzo ku prop farm kyonna ky'owulira nga you want to ask anything about any prop farm eyakusasulako, it's okay. Nawe tukwagala osobola okujja n'obako ky'otugamba and how you were able to make some money with us. Okay? Do you have New York session trading? No. We don't have New York session together trading. Ransonga Friday, it's a Friday, that's why I'm not going to be there on New York session. Naye next time, inshallah New York session ijja kubeera awo tugi trading ffenna. Naam. Salaam wa rahmatullah. Kumetro. Kanzije kati. Ab'omudwaliro tebanava, abaana bali tugenda kyema ba mudwaliro. Kanzije wakama. Okay guys, tujja kuddamu tutuninge mu dakiika nga 10 maaso, kansooke mala okubaako kimaliriza, then we'll come back very soon.